Transform your industry presence with SEO mastery. Our SEO agency specializes in taking your industry presence to the next level. We understand the unique challenges of the manufacturing sector. Our tailored strategies ensure your business stands out amidst fierce competition, driving more traffic to your website. Our team of experts conducts a thorough analysis of your current online performance, identifying areas for improvement and unleashing your full potential in the digital landscape. With cutting-edge keyword research, we identify the terms your potential clients are searching for, ensuring your website appears at the top of their search results. We optimize your website's technical elements, ensuring fast load times, mobile responsiveness, and seamless navigation. Your visitors will have a flawless online experience. Backlinks from authoritative sources are crucial for SEO success. We secure valuable links to your site, boosting your credibility and search engine ranking. Tracking and analytics are key to our strategy. We continually monitor your performance, making data-driven adjustments to keep you ahead of the competition. Partner with us to elevate your manufacturing business. Let our SEO expertise drive your online growth, bringing you more leads, more clients, and more success.